Hello friends, welcome to TechEJ YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss on following agenda. So, first of all, we are going to download and install VMware Workstation 17 Pro, and then uh, if you did not have activated your virtualization from your BIOS and Windows feature, then you have to activate the virtualization from both places, BIOS and Windows feature. Then we can continue with this practical or with this discussion, I can simply say. Okay. So now, then after we are going to activate VMware 17 Pro for free. You don't have to pay any bit. And then we are going to download RHEL 9 from RHEL website, and for this, you have to create a RHEL ID, and then you are able to download RHEL 9 latest version from there. And then we are going to create our first RHEL 9 VM, and then we set up the static IP, and we also configure the local AM repo. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start. So first, I'll search here, download VMware Workstation 17 Pro, and just go on to the VMware website, and here click on Workstation 70 Pro for Windows. Okay, just I am posting out because I already downloaded it for you for saving the time. Okay, okay, in my download you can see that I already have the latest VMware Workstation 17, which I downloaded the today at before 10 minutes ago. Okay, so just now click double click on the your downloaded file, and setup will start. Okay, wait for few seconds. Based on the your PC configuration, it can take some times. Okay, so click on I accept the terms and licenses, and click on next and install. Okay, now installing VMware Workstation Pro can take 3 to 5 minutes based on your PC configuration. Okay, so keep patience during the installing period. We will continue after installation. Meanwhile, you can make sure if your Windows feature is virtualization feature is on or not. So for this, just search for turn Windows feature on or off, and go here virtual machine platform. Make sure virtual machine platform is ticked. Okay, so that's it. And these both these are make sure is active. Okay, now click on OK. Just now VMware Workstation Pro is downloading. Sorry for that. Installing the virtual network. Okay, it's finished. Now click on license. We are going to activate it, this VMware Workstation 17 Pro for free. Okay, just search here VMware Workstation 17 Pro free license key. Okay, just go on to first link and copy the license key from here. Okay, now go here and paste it here. Click on enter. Okay, it's saying completed the VMware Workstation Pro setup wizard. Click the finish button to exit the setup wizard. Click on finish. Okay, now we successfully able to install the VMware Workstation 17 Pro with license, okay, for free. Okay, now just click on VMware Workstation Pro. It will start. Now, so here I already created the many of the VMs which I say I created in Workstation 16 Pro or Pro 16. Okay, so these are that VMs. I not deleted the that VMDK files. Okay, so that's why it's showing me here. Let's create a new VM. So click on File, click on New Virtual Machine, and what you like to choose, typical or custom. So here I am choosing the custom, and click on Next. Make sure your hardware is Workstation 17.x, which is latest, and specify the uh, so first of before installing the RHEL 9, you also require the RHEL 9 ISO. So for this, we have to just go here and download the RHEL 9 ISO. So here download RHEL 9. Okay, this is the Red Hat website. Here you can just click on download RHEL at no cost, and you can see that here it's asking for Red Hat login or email. So you can just log in with Google. So here I already downloaded the RHEL 9. So you can, I show the step. You can just log in from your Google and you can simply download that RHEL 9. Okay. So here this is my RHEL 9.2 DVD which ISO image which I downloaded from the RHEL 9 website after creating the RHEL ID. So I just copy this to my D drive. Okay. So here you can see that this same file is here, which I copied from the download section to D drive. Okay. So here I setted this location. Okay. D. Here you can just click on browse and go on to the location where this file is located and just click on open. Just click on next. You can here give any name, like here I am giving the name like rel one or just anything. You can here just give the username like root one. Here you can not able to give the name as root. Okay, so make sure. So here just after giving password, you can click on next, next, and how many processor you want to give. Like here, I want to give two. Yes, I am good with 2 GB RAM. Yes, I want to use NAT. I want to use LSI logic. Okay, and NVMe. Okay. Create a new virtual disk. Yes, create a new virtual disk. What is the size of new virtual disk? 20 GB. And what is the name? And click on finish. And that's it. Our new virtual machine is created. Okay, now it's launching. So just wait for a few time, wait for a few moments. It's starting. Now we can simply see that Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9 is loading. Okay, loading can take 1 to 2 minutes based on your VM configuration. Like here, I gave the two processor and 2 GB of RAM. Then what performance I can expect. Okay, so it's saying starting installer in 1 moment. Okay, so our Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9 GUI is going to open here. So here I am good with English, so I click on continue. Okay, now okay, select this, click on done, and here just click on root password. You can give the root at the rate 123 and root at the rate 123, and then click on done. Done two times because our password is, and here just we have to click on begin installation. Okay, now installation will start and it can take 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, based on your VM configuration. Okay, just wait for the installing it. Guys, now you can see that our Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9 is successfully installed. So click on start setup. Now setup will guide. So click on skip here. Okay, now you can give your full name here. Like my name is Saurabh Singh. So here I am giving my name and set a password. Okay, now after setting up a password, click on next and you are done. Click on start using Red Hat Enterprises Linux 9. Okay, now wait for some few moments. And click on no thanks. Okay, open a terminal. Type here if config hyphen a. Okay, we get our DHCP IP done. Here we can also set the our IP like static IP like by using an MTY tool. So here you can say router connection in 608, and here you can just click on your setting automatic or manual. So here if you want to set manual, but here we want to just set up with DHCP, so keep it automatic. Okay, so don't need to change here. Click on OK, click on back, click on quit. Now we can see is our networking info network is connected from internet or not by pinging the google.com. Okay, now you can see google.com is successfully pinging. Now how we can make local AM repository. So for setting up local yum repository. Here we are now connected from internet, so we can install any packages like by using yum install httpd. But when what it says, it's saying no root subscription management error. There is no enabled repository. Okay, in etc yum.repos.t. So how we can configure yum? So for configuring the yum, what we have to do? Let's check lsblk output. So it's saying our CD drive is also mounted, which is SR0. So let's see what run media option CD-ROM contain. Okay, CD. And paste here. ls here. Okay. CDISO Linux. Okay, it did not contain any basewares or um, yes, and app stream data. So what we can do now, we can just mount another RHEL OS and copy the baseware and app stream data from there. Okay, so just cd root and from here just go here. Okay, click on home, go here, go into the setting. Okay, now here just we want to mount is saying CD DVD to SATA have our basewares. So let's see, is this contain the basewares or not? So we can just mount this SR1 to MNT must be super easier to mount. Okay, no, saying no medium found under SR1. Let's try to mount empty. Okay, it's saying SR1 is not IG. Let's check one more time LFLK output. Okay, does not matter. Go here, click on edit. Here token setting. Okay, now what we want to add, we want to add yes, hard disk. not hide it. You want to just add ISO here. So you can choose CD DVD drive, or you can also choose RHEL. Click on finish and click on use ISO image file. Click on browse and from here you have to choose your RHEL 9 image which you use to install the RHEL OS. It should be the same. So here I am choosing my RHEL 9. Click on OK. Okay. Now use LSBLK one more time. Okay. Now you can simply see that SR2 is connected and this is the path. Okay. Now just we can directly configure them from here by giving the path of baseware and AppStream, but for demoing I am just copying these two. So copy the path and use cd command to go there. Okay, now use ls. Okay, now we can see that AppStream and baseware is here. So we use cp AppStream base OS. We will copy it to mnt. Okay, sorry. Sometimes it can give error due to silly mistakes. Okay, now AppStream and baseware is copying. Okay, wait for a few moments. It will copying. Copying will take I think 1 minute to copy AppStream and baseware. Until this is copying, we can open a new window. Okay, now we can use sudo su root. Okay, now we are going to create a yum repo, local repo. So we have to create it in yum. Sorry. First of all, use ls. Now cd etc yum repo d. So now use ls. Okay, here are this contain. Okay, this here did not have any local repo, so here we create a local repo, local.repo. Okay, go into the insert mode. Now here give id url1 base os okay. Now just give the name equal to base os base url is equal to location, current location. So here we are using file, and my base os is in mnt base os. Okay, now check enabled is equal to 1 and gpg. We did not providing any gpg check path. gpg is equal to 0, so that's why here we can also give any key link so that it can verify that. Now set up url2 app stream data. Okay, name is equal to app stream and base url will be file. It is the exact location where we copied our base OS and app stream data. Don't be confused. App stream and check here enable is equal to 1. gpg check is equal to 0. So this directory contains all the packages, so we are providing the path here. Now save it. Now use the command yum clean all. Okay, now use command yum repo list all. Okay, now we can see that our repo id and repo name is here and status is enabled. Now we see how we can install by using yum local repo. So here I am giving the command yum install httpd for installing the Apache server. So here, yes, our Apache server is now installing. Okay, now we can just say yes. Here our Apache server is now installing. You can see from here. Now it's completed. Let's see what is the status of our Apache server. Okay, command system ctl status httpd. Okay, it's saying it's inactive. So how we can activate it? Just this is the not part of this video, but I am just showing. Sorry. Just here give command start. Okay, now check the status one more time. Yes, now it's active, but currently I don't want to use this, so I am going to stop it. Okay, now we can check the status. It's inactive and dead. So all done for this video. So friends, that's it for this video. Let's meet you in next video.